Good morning, students of class 7. This is the time of mathematics class. Today we will discuss the exercise 60 from the chapter Algebraic Expressions from question number 17 to question number 26. Students, in question number 17, actually the exercise is going on the multiplication of the algebraic expressions. So question number 17 here tells that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x. Okay, so first of all I copy the question first, question number 17. Here question given x plus 1 by x into x plus, this is actually x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus into x into x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x. Okay, like this, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x. So first copy the question, then you have to be multiply. So I have to give equal sign. So here first you have to be multiply x to the power 4 into x plus 1 by x, then you have to be multiply 1 by x to the power 4 with x plus 1 by x. The process is same. Okay, so now multiply x to the power 4 with x, it will give you x to the power 5 plus when you multiply x to the power 4 with 1 by x, then you can see that x to the power 4 by x will be there. So x to the power 4 by x means it will be x to the power cube plus 1 by x to the power 4 multiply with x, so it will be x by x to the power 4. So calculation will get x and x to the power 4 will be cutting, it will be 1 by x cube plus plus is plus. Now 1 by x to the power 4 multiply with 1 by x, it will be 1 by x to the power 5. Clear, students? So in this way you have to be just solve. Hope that everybody is understood the process. First of all you have to be multiply x to the power 4 with x plus 1 by x, then you have to be multiply 1 by x to the power 4 with x plus 1 by x, then just partial you have to be multiply x to the power 4 with x, it will be x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 multiply with 1 by x, it will be x cube, because x to the power 4 by x will be there, so it will be, if you will calculate, you will get x cube plus x into 1 by x4, it will be calculate, get 1 by x cube, and plus plus is plus, last one will be 1 by x to the power 5. In this way you have to be just solve. Okay, hope everybody is understood the process. Now next question, Question number 18, same type of question. Okay, question number 19. Look at here. First one is trinomial 2x plus 3y minus 5, and second one is binomial. So 2x plus 3y minus 5, we multiply with x plus y. Okay, so just I am going to write this one. Question number 19, 2x plus 3y minus 5. 2x plus 3y minus 5 multiply with x plus y. Okay, 2x plus 5 3x square, this one is 19. 2x plus 3y minus 5 multiply with x plus y. So first you have to copy the question, then give equal sign. So first multiply 2x with total terms, then 3y with total terms, then minus 5 with total terms. Okay, first 2x multiply with total terms x plus y, then plus 3y multiply with total term x plus y, and then minus 5 multiply with total term x plus y. Okay, so 2x multiply with the term x plus y, then plus 3y multiply with x plus y, and then minus 5 multiply with x plus y. Now give equal sign. 2x multiply with x, it will be 2x square, plus 2x multiply with plus y, it will be plus 2xy. First one is complete. Then plus 3y multiply with x, it will be plus 3xy, plus will be plus 3y multiply with y, it will be 3y square, minus 5 multiply with x, it will be minus 5x, minus 5 multiply with plus y, it will be minus 5y. Okay, this one. Now just calculate. We will get 2x square, here plus 2xy and plus 3xy, add, you will get plus 5xy plus 3y square minus 5x minus 5y. Okay, so that is the answer. 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square minus 5x minus 5y. So in this way just you have to be solved. Okay, now I am going to erase. Next question. Question number 20, the same type of question. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, all are the same type of question, that is trinomial multiply with the binomial. I am going to show question number 26. Look at here, x square minus 5x plus 8, x square minus 5x plus 8 multiply with x square plus 2. Okay, So every process are the same. First you have to multiply x square with total terms x square plus 2. So x square into, right, x square plus 2. Then minus 5x, this minus 5x multiply with x plus 2. Okay, so write minus 5x multiply with x square plus 2, and then plus 8 multiply with x square plus 2. X square plus 2. Okay. Then students, give equal sign. Here x square and x square just multiply. What you will get? You will get x to the power 4. Then x square multiply with plus 2, it will be plus 2x square. Okay. Then minus 5x multiply with x square, it will be minus 5x cube. Then minus 5x multiply with plus 2, it will be minus 10x. Then plus 8 multiply with x square will be plus 8x square, and plus 8 multiply with 2, it will be plus 8 to the 16. So multiplication process is completed. Now calculate and write in proper order. So write x4, then write minus 5x cube. Okay. There, and plus 2x square and plus 8 square, it will be plus 10x square. Then minus 10x is there. Then plus 16. Okay. So x4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square and plus 8 square, it will be plus 10x square, and minus 10x plus 16. So this is the required answer of question number 16. Question number 26, not 16. Question number 26. Okay. So today your homework will be given question number 17 to question number 26. 17 to question number 26. Next day we will discuss simplify. Okay. So your homework today will be question number 17 to question number 26 from exercise 6D. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.